Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 21. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government will be ramping up its efforts to improve waste management on the island.
Jamaica is not looking as clean as it should be, as it can be, and as it was. So we're going to be employing various strategies, the first one of which will be the introduction of a waste-to-energy solution.
The Prime Minister was speaking during a recent tour of the facilities of the Wisinka Group. Chairman of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Dennis Chung, who was also on the tour, said the NSWMA's collection capacity would be improved with the addition of 70 new trucks. He also revealed that a 6-month waste separation pilot project got underway in 3 communities in August.
We are trying to do our part in terms of education, in terms of enforcement, in terms of ensuring that we have the proper resources in place, and also looking at how can we privatize some of our collections so that NSWMA moves truly towards a regulatory authority, and that the government is not burdened with that capital equipment, but that private investors can come in and invest in the trucks.
The Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, and the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation are partnering to scale up climate-resilient agriculture in the country. A memorandum of understanding was signed on Thursday to allow RADA to provide leadership and technical expertise in various agricultural activities. The work falls under the Adaptation Program and Financing Mechanism Project, a component of the pilot program for climate resilience in Jamaica. This first phase of intervention is focused on the Upper Riamina watershed area of Clarendon.
We would like to ensure that RADA technical skills in areas as water management, water harvesting, technical capacity building for farmers, using the participatory methodology known as a farmer-field school, and other technical skills like greenhouse management, construction and management. Our team will be working very closely to make sure that all of the project objectives are met.
The 5-year program is funded by the Inter-American Development Bank. The Health Minister is reporting that there is still no confirmed microcephaly case linked to the Zika virus in Jamaica.
We have 3 cases of microcephaly. None of these are severe microcephaly, and there are no probable cases related to Zika. So there's no baby of the 3 whose mother had a rash in pregnancy, and there is no confirmed Zika virus infection in any of the babies.
Dr. Webster Carr was addressing a recent press briefing called to update the country on the issue. Microcephaly is defined as a condition in which the head circumference is small for the age and sex of the infant. It is not a specific disease, but a descriptive term for certain physical conditions, and is classified in 2 categories: microcephaly and severe microcephaly. The Health Ministry has introduced a number of strategies to identify, investigate, and follow up on all possible cases of the condition in the country.
We have introduced a new delivery book to ensure that all babies' head circumference are measured and that this is recorded. So you have to indicate in the delivery book, does this baby have microcephaly or not, right? And this was distributed in August of this year and is in use now.
Guidelines have also been issued for the clinical management of mother and a child, as well as other support. The Inter-American Microenterprise Forum, FORUMIC, is expected to significantly boost opportunities for growth and expansion of Jamaica's micro, small, and medium enterprise MSME sector. FORUMIC is the region's largest event on microfinance and entrepreneurship, giving businesses a platform to showcase their products and services.
It is an excellent opportunity for them to access networking with entities and persons who may be able to assist them, whether it would be in terms of investment, whether it in terms of partnership into getting into other Caribbean countries or Latin American countries. The opportunities are very, very good.
JBDC's Assistant Business Advisory Services Manager was addressing a recent JIS think tank. FORUMIC, which is being staged in Jamaica for the first time, will be held at the Montego Bay Convention Center from October 24 to 26. Activities will include the observance of Jamaica Day on October 24, when the country's innovation in business will be showcased. And finally, government will be utilizing the newly opened TOSH Museum as one of the cultural sites in its plans to push Kingston as a tourist destination. Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave that charge to the Minister of Tourism at Wednesday's opening of the museum.
I see Jamaica as the center of the Caribbean, not just geographically, but we are the center for culture and lifestyle, for innovation and creativity. And when we put up institutions like this, we are stamping our authority on this claim.
Located at the Pulse Complex on Trafalgar Road, the TOSH Museum holds personal artifacts and memorabilia from the musician. Wednesday's opening coincided with the 72nd anniversary of the late reggae icon's birth. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carrie Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.